Hi everybody, Janet here again, and I'm by myself and I'm taping this, and you don't even want to know how I have that camera hooked up and attached to the banister. Lots of painter's tape. I mean, it seriously looks ridiculous, but hopefully it's going to work, because you can't do this and hold the camera at the same time. So I'm getting ready to wax this first. I'm going to do some clear wax. So I've got my Annie Sloan clear wax. I have my Annie Sloan brush. I'm no longer an Annie Sloan stockist, but that doesn't mean that I don't love using the best products out there. So still using her products. Picking up a little bit. See, I don't have too much on there, and just gonna go in every direction because I painted kind of thickly and in every direction. I wanted lots of texture. Oh, little hair. If you ever get hairs when you're waxing or painting, instead of trying to pick them out, just kind of scoop like that and see it attaches itself to the brush, and then you can pick it right off the brush. And hopefully you can see where I've waxed. Oh, there's another one. No wax here, wax there. See how this has deepened it a little bit? Sorry about the sun keeps moving, so this is sunny right here. But no wax, it's lighter. This is waxed, it's deepening the color a little, which is perfect. I want to make sure I get wax on all of the wood that I exposed, chipping off with my little paint scraper. Okay, and again, like I always say, it's like buttering toast. I am not working really hard. I'm not pushing hard. I'm just letting my beautiful little wax brush do all the work for me. Okay, and I can feel the surface wax there, so I need to remove that. So I've got my lint-free cloth, and I'm not gonna fight the friction, because see, it sticks because there's wax on the surface. So if I'm trying to go in circles, it's not gonna work. So got wax buildup, so that tells me I need to turn to a clean side. So I'm just gently, and this paper towel is doing all the work for me. I am not pushing hard. If you say it's too much work to wax, you're probably doing it the wrong way. See, look at that beautiful sheen already I'm seeing here. And see now I can move it around. And that tells me I'm removing the amount I need to remove on the surface. See, that feels good. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. I don't see fingerprints when I do this. Looks good. So I'm just gonna continue to move around my piece, and once I've clear waxed the whole thing, I'll come back and put some Annie Sloan brown wax on it, and that's gonna really enrichen the wood and deepen this color and give it a nice, beautiful aged patina. So that's it. I'll come back and show you again when I do the dark wax. Thanks for watching. Bye.